welcome to the Granny Square series. This week we'll be making this square. I've been wanting to do this a while because it makes good use of the 3 special stitches that we use frequently in the others. It's clusters, puffs and popcorns. So let's get started. I'm using Moonstone from the Stonewash range, making a double magic circle with a 4mm hook, and round 1 we're going to make 6 2-stitch cluster stitches with a chain 2 space between each one. So that's 2 US doubles, UK trebles together for each cluster. So I've chained 1, I'm going to chain 2 and then make my first cluster, chain 2 and then making the second cluster. So if you're making along, you can pause the video and I'll see you at the end of the round. We're going to make 4 more of those stitches. At the end of round 1, your work should look like this. We're going to pull the circle tight and then pull the loop that tightened first. And then pull the tail. And then we're just going to slip stitch into the first cluster to join. And slip stitch into the chain 2 space. Chain 1 ready for the next round, and that's how your work should look at the end of round 1. So round 1 we made clusters, and for round 2 we're going to make puffs. So we're going to make 2 puff stitches into each chain 2 space with a chain 1 space between each puff stitch. So to make the first puff stitch, we pull the chain up to the height of a US double, UK treble. We're going to use 3 loop puff stitches. So yarn over, go in, pull the yarn through. That's 1. Yarn over, go in, pull the yarn through. That's 2. Yarn over, go in, pull the yarn through 3 times. We then yarn over and pull through all the loops. Chain 1. I'm going to make a second stitch into that same space. So the same thing, 3 loops. And then pull through all of the loops. Chain 1. And we're going to hop across to the next chain 2 space. Oops. And there's your repeat. So if you're making along with me, you can press pause and I shall see you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, we're going to slip stitch into, you should have finished with a chain 1. We slip stitch into the first puff stitch to join. And then we have 12 stitches and 12 chain 1 spaces. Round 3, so slip stitch into the chain 1 space. So we had clusters, puffs and now popcorns. So we're going to chain 2 and we're going to make 4 US doubles, UK trebles into that chain 1 space. When you've made your 4 stitches, let me just get some slack, sorry, pull the loop, pop your hook in the first stitch, take hold of the yarn and pull through, and then we chain 2, so pinch that stitch tight, and chain 2, and we'll hop across to the next space and repeat. So at the end of the round we'll have 12 popcorns and 12 chain 2 spaces. So if you're making along, you can press pause, and I'll see you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, you should finish on a chain 2, and then we'll slip stitch into the top of the first popcorn stitch we made, and then slip stitch into the chain 2 space. And there we go, clusters, puffs and popcorns. So now we're going to square our circle. Round 4, we're going to chain 1, and then in this chain 2 space we will make a US single, UK double, 2 US half doubles, UK half trebles. Into the next chain 2 space we will make 2 US doubles, UK trebles. We will then make 1 US treble, UK double treble. Chain 2. And then a US treble, UK double treble. All in the same space. Back into the same space, make 2 US doubles, UK trebles. We're then going to hop across, make 2 half stitches, US doubles, UK trebles. And 1 US single, UK double. And that's your repeat. So we just go back to the beginning of the round and repeat into the next chain 2 space. So if you're making along, you can press pause, and I'll see you at the end of the round. So at the end of the round, you should finish with a US single, UK double and a square. And to finish, we can just slip stitch across, and we're done. And that matches nicely with those other round squares that I was talking about in the other video. Let's get 3 more. Yeah, they look cute together, don't they? I'll see you in the next video.